Hello friends, welcome to the C++ tutorial. Into the last lecture, we have seen member variables. If you don't know about member variables, you can see the previous lecture. Today we will cover what is member function, how to define member function, and practical demonstration of member function. Here we have what is member function. Member function is a function that is declared as a member of a class. Member functions can be defined inside the class or outside the class. To define member function outside the class, we have to use scope resolution operator. Let us see the practical demonstration of the same. Here we have our new turbo C file. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, class example. Here semicolon to end the class. Into the class we are declaring one MSG function, which is public function, so we can access it from anywhere into the same program. Into the message function we are giving message, this is MSG function. Now into the main function here we have E1 object of example class, then clear screen, get ch to hold the screen, and through E1 we can access member function of the class. So E1 dot MSG function, this is the calling of the function. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Here the output is, this is MSG function from message function. This is our turbo C file. Into this hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. Here we have class example. Into the class we have one MSG function as public, but here we are giving just the definition of the function, and outside of the class we are writing the body of the function. For that we have to give return type, that is void, then name of the class, that is example, then this is a scope resolution operator. Whenever we wish the whole function outside of the class, MSG. Here we are giving just a message, that is, this is MSG function. Now main function, clear screen and get ch. Into the main function, this is an object E1 of the example class, and through E1 we are calling MSG function. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. So here we have an output. This is MSG function from the MSG function which we have written outside of the class. So this is the use of scope resolution operator. Today we have seen member function is a function of a class. Member function can be defined inside or outside of the class. And at last we have seen practical demonstration in Turbo C of the member function. Thank you.